Anim po sila.
Anim?
Opo.
May mga bata pa po?
Ang bunso ko po ay 12 years old.
Mga bata pa, 12 years old. Kamusta po? Kamusta po ang nag-aaral naman po na mabuti si Reg?
Opo, nag-aaral po.
Masipag po ba siya mag-aaral?
Split shot?
Opo. And
Mommy, picture. Ay, no, mommy. No. Alice. Cute. Okay, Mama. Hi. Okay, guys. So, guys, you know this? And really, I love it. So, like this one, you know, this is one red, as you can see, and two browns. Wait, I'm gonna, so you can see it, like mushroom. So red, yeah, that's one red. Two browns, three blue, four green, white is white.
Good luck sa'yo, Reg, ha?
You can see that, and this is the magnetic stick. So, bye-bye.